So I'm out in the barn on a windy day out here at Rock Run Farm, and I got this beam down the other day, and I've got a couple pulleys here. I thought it'd be fun to see some of these. This one's another really old one, and this one is a worm gear pulley, or a worm gear winch. So it's pretty old. It's got a big gear here in the front, you can see, and then underneath here turns a worm gear going the other direction. And this thing is extremely slow, but it's extremely powerful as well. The beauty of the worm gear is really two things. It goes both directions, forward and backward for one. And then the other thing is you don't have to lock it. It just stays in place. You can't pull the cable out. And I've tried with heavy weights. I've even had it on the back of a truck, and it'll just pull. So the handle here and the handle here, you can wind and wind and wind, and pull whatever you want. I've pulled heavy rocks, and you can see it just picks this beam right up. I bet it would pick it up with me sitting on it. Why not? Let's see. Oh yeah, as easy as that. And rides it right up, no problem. So it's a nice old tool. I got this at a flea market up in Raleigh, Massachusetts, probably 10 years ago, and loved it and used it a lot. So there's the worm gear pull, the worm gear hand winch. Beautiful tool, very handy in certain circumstances.